Welcome to our updated guide on how to fix Gmail connecting problems on your Android phone. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve any connectivity issues you may be experiencing. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data to enable Gmail to function properly. If you're facing connectivity issues, try restarting the Gmail application. Close the app completely and then reopen it to refresh the connection. For a more comprehensive approach, consider restarting your phone. This can help reset any underlying issues that may be affecting Gmail's connectivity. To address potential app-related issues, clear the app cache and data for Gmail. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Android phone, access the App Settings or Application Manager, locate Gmail, and clear the app cache and data. Remember, clearing data will log you out of Gmail, so ensure you have any necessary backups. Keep your Gmail app up to date. Check for the latest version in the Google Play Store and update Gmail if a newer version is available. Outdated app versions can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Check your device's storage space. Insufficient storage can impact Gmail's performance and lead to connection problems. Ensure you have enough available storage for Gmail to operate smoothly. Lastly, consider enabling or disabling VPN settings on your device. VPN configurations can sometimes interfere with Gmail's connectivity, so adjusting these settings may help resolve any issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Gmail connecting problems on your Android phone, ensuring a seamless email experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and updates to enhance your Gmail usage.